Hi guys, welcome to Tech Program YouTube channel. In this video what I am going to show you about how to set up a WildFly server with Oracle Jdbc driver. First we need to download the WildFly server. To do this, first search for WildFly on Google and click on download. Here you can see we have the WildFly 24 as the beta version, but we need the final stable version, so we are going to download the final stable version from here. Once downloaded, extract the zip file. Go into the server folder and go into bin folder. From this point, let's see whether the service is starting or not. Just click on standalone.bat file. You will be able to see the service is starting. It is started without any issues. Okay, now let's stop the server. Now we need to download the Oracle Jdbc driver. For this, Google for Oracle Jdbc driver. Click on the first link, Oracle Jdbc and UCP download page. For this example, the Oracle database I am using is the Oracle database 12c release 1 version. So in this case, I will have to download that driver to connect my WildFly server to my Oracle database. Since I am using the JDK 8, I am gonna download Jdbc 7 driver for this. To download the driver, most probably you will have to log into the Oracle website. If you don't have Oracle login account, then you can create a new account and then you can log into the system. Once you logged in successfully, you can download the driver. Copy the Oracle driver, open the server folder and navigate into modules, system, layers, base. Open the COM folder, create a new folder called Oracle and open the Oracle folder. Create another folder named Jdbc7 and open that folder. Create a new folder named main and open it. Paste the copied Jdbc7 driver to this main folder. Now let's create a XML file named module. Once you created the file, open it from the notepad and change the created file like this. The resource root path is the name of your Jdbc driver and this is the name of the module. Once edited, make sure to save the changes. Navigate to the root folder of the server and click on standalone and click on configuration and right click on the standalone.xml and open it from the notepad++. In here we need to add the new data source and the driver details for Oracle Jdbc driver. Change the standalone.xml file like this to add a new data source, and this one is the IP of Oracle database and this is the port and the ABC is the service name, and from here you can add the username and password as well. Now let's add the Oracle database driver details into the configurations. Save all the changes you have done in the standalone.xml file. Navigate into the bin folder of the server and click on standalone.bat file to start the server, and you can see the service is starting. You can see that the service is started successfully without any errors. So this is it for this video. Thank you for watching, guys. If you have any questions, please add it in the comment section so we can give you an answer. If you think those tips and tricks helpful, give us a thumb up and make sure to subscribe to our channel.